Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare some delicious, succulent oxtail and bean. Want to see how I prepare this one? Let's go straight to the kitchen now. Let's start. Okay, here I have some oxtail. I'm going to trim off the excess fat and I'm going to wash it with lime juice and vinegar. After washing, I'm going to season, and all the season used will be on the screen and also in the description box below. So just keep on watching and I'll come back when I reach the harder steps to explain. Keep on watching, guys.
Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Okay guys, now that we have added all our powder seasoning and fresh seasoning, I'm going to add some browning and season well, cover and marinate for at least an hour or overnight. Then we move on to the next step.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I
Okay guys, after our meat have completely marinated, I'm going to add some oil to my Dutch pot, and I'm going to add my oxtail pieces and allow them to sear on both sides. Then cover my pot and allow it to sweat, after which we add water. And another thing guys, why oxtail so expensive? Tell me in the comment section below how much for a kilo of oxtail where you're living, because unbelievable the price of oxtail these days. But anyway, let's get back to the video.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Okay guys, we're about 15 minutes in cooking now, and here I'm finally adding some hot water. So as I always mention, please put your kettle on or have a pot on the other side of the stove with water to pour on your meat, okay? And we're going to cover this and add water interval while the water go out. We don't want to pour enough water on it for it to become smushy. We want it to brown while cooking, so we add water in small portions, okay? As you will see me do. Keep on watching guys.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Okay guys, our meat tender enough. As you see, I did the fork testing. Yes. So now I'm going to add my, you remember the marinated season that we use to season our oxtail? Yes, I'm going to add that to my pot now, along with some fresh seasoning. And all the ingredients used will be in the description box below. I'm going to add that to my oxtail. I'm also going to add a can of butter bean. I'm going to drain off the liquid and add the bean and some ketchup. I'm going to stir that well, taste and adjust if needed, and just cover and allow to simmer until I get a nice sauce. So see you back then guys. Just keep on watching, okay? And another thing guys, if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please tap the subscribe button and join the family. And to make it complete guys, please turn your notification bell on, so as soon as I upload a new video, you will be notified. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. My new supporters, thank you guys for coming on board. My channel members, thank you guys for the support as always. So let's get back to the video guys. Here I'm just adjusting my taste and I'll definitely come back. Okay, just keep on watching.
If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Yes guys, look at this delicious nice sauce guys. Yes, a popular song on social media these days. Who got the sauce? I got the sauce. What in the sauce? I am the sauce. Yes guys, I'm a foodie and I'm telling you guys this was very delicious, and I have to be careful with that pepper for it not to burst in my pot. And I'm going to serve this with some black bean rice and peas, some salad of course. And let me tell you guys, dinner was yummy-licious. Just leave it at that. If you enjoy this one, please like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, no? And if by accident you came across my channel for the first time, please tap the subscribe button, and to make it a full house, please turn the bell on so you won't miss another video. And if you're a foodie like me, please check out my foodie playlist where you'll find lots of goodies there. And as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.
When nothing really matters, that's all I